Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials and capturing evidence. Check the Roblox status page and your router. Make sure your device truly has internet. Then open the Roblox client logs in app data /local/Roblox or use the event viewer to find error codes and timestamps. This matters because precise codes point to authentication, matchmaking, or server-side outages. Once you have those details, note the game region and any recent changes. That prepares you for targeted fixes instead of guessing. Now you isolate whether the issue is local. Restart your router and device, then try a wired connection or another device to rule out Wi-Fi problems. Flush DNS with ipconfig/flushtons and reset the network stack via netwinsock reset. These remove corrupted entries that block matchmaking. Disable VPNs, proxies, and third-party firewalls briefly because they often interfere with UDP ports Roblox needs. Once those tests pass, you'll know if the problem is local or server-side and proceed accordingly. Finish by targeting authentication and server errors. Sign out, uninstall and reinstall the Roblox client, and clear temporary files to remove corrupted credential caches. Check your account status and region restrictions. Sometimes retries during off-peak hours succeed when overloaded servers recover. If the error persists, gather the logs and exact error code and contact Roblox support with the steps you already tried. One troubleshooting tip: reproduce the issue after a reinstall so your logs show.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.